This tutorial has the objective to introduce to you the functionality of the business process reengineering application of the global enterprise management system of strategic frontend.com. If you are assigned name and password by the administrator to do a business process reengineering study or project, then you have your name and password, and then actually you can log in. What appears is your personalized dashboard tailored for your task spectrum, and you will find business process reengineering on the right hand side in this place. So if you have identified it, then you can click on the business process reengineering, and then you see the initiatives which actually I think you are involved to. So actually I think we will go into the global supply chain redesign exercise. You see the info, if you click on this, the general information, and also I think which sector, region and category in the corporate activity cube, this kind of redesign is done and positioned. And also I think it says the objective business process project to create competitive advantage in terms of supply cost, speed and service level. And here you have assembled the teams, and of course you always can, if you have the right to do so, to add new users to the team. For instance, so out of all the people who are on the platform, you can add new ones, assign them with a role, for instance, as a task manager for different tasks of the engineering study, and then you may create. And then you see all the tasks which has to be carried out, like BPR proposal, case for action, competitive analysis, cost-benefit estimation, survey internal business processes. So you can assign him to say he is responsible for survey internal business processes, survey internal technology, and survey technology trend. And then you click save, and maybe also I think you should participate on the business process reengineering proposal. Very strong feature. Then actually I think you have the task management side. Here you see the existing task, and actually I think you always get this preloaded, and every task has his task user, his task manager, and also I think we have given all our insights from our experience in this kind of project. We already uploaded documents for you, like how to make a business proposal. Looks like this. This is actually, I think, a proven approach of business reengineering. Case for action, project scope, survey internal supply chain, survey internal technology, then all this external present state kind of task, then develop supply chain vision, define supply chain principles and define system principles, then design future supply chain architecture, system architecture, cost benefit estimation, and then the implementation plan. And these are usually the objectives of the different kind of deliverables, the major activities, and the deliverable itself. So for all deliverables, you got this kind of information already downloaded. So you got not an empty project space, but you got really already proven content in it. This is where the consulting knowledge and methods are integrated into this kind of system. You can monitor the whole project where it stands, to say here are the tasks, here are the people who have the task to follow it out. Here, the first answer I have to answer some key questions. And then if you click on started, you also see, you know, what the content already is he has worked on, so that you always, as a project manager, could coach or help your team, which are dispersed globally, to get on track, and everybody now has the same kind of platform to do the documentation. And also, I think doing the thing, an important, I think, feature in combination with Google Apps is that you are able to actually transfer. Sorry. So if you edit, you can say what should be the start date or the end date of this particular task. Then you can click on Create Google Calendar Event, and then you got a message, successfully created calendar event. Then if you look at your calendar, you already got the calendar event, like business process proposal. You can look at the details, TMB approach to business process reengineering, and you can use all the functionalities, reminder, things like this on your calendar, or can create a project calendar, which can be accessed by all team member on the Google Apps. This has proven to be quite a strong functionality, which has improved the accessibility, you know, of Google Apps in combination with strategic frontend.com. So this had been a short overview about our functionality for an application, how to do business process reengineering projects, and it has proven over the last 10 years to be very effective, and it is really how the knowledge of a consultancy can be transferred to the client, and even to mid-sized and small companies, so that they also, I think, able to empower their teams, their people on the cloud computing facilities to do the same projects. Then big consulting companies could be done, have to be done, or have to be get in before. So I think you got an overview so that you can start doing your own reengineering projects.